Hello, this is Nathan with UnitConnect Property Management Software. In this video tutorial, I will be covering how to print checks for vendors and other related expenses. To begin, I'm going to click on the Properties tab here in the main menu. Next, I'm going to select a property and select Property Expenses under Actions on the left-hand side. Next, I'm going to scroll down on our property expenses page, and I'm going to start with using our filter and selecting this year, the current year. Following, I'm going to select search. So this should generate all of the related expenses with this property for this current year. And I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom of our page, and I'm going to select the final expense, the last expense which was entered, and I'm going to print this as a check to show that functionality. So I have selected it with a check mark, and here at the bottom right, I'm going to click Print Checks. I'm going to verify that the date and the check number are accurate and click Print Checks. All right, I'm going to select the check that was just generated by UnitConnect and click on the PDF document, which will open a new tab. And so we can see that here is our check that was just generated. And if I scroll down, we can see the entire document. And in order to print it, you'll need special check printing paper. If you would like a link to that, I'll be sure to include that in the description of this video. All right, that concludes this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video tutorial.